Hey, what's up guys? Saturday morning, just finished up on this flag right here, and thought I would just see what you guys' opinion are on it. This is a little larger than the standard size I make. This is like 28 inches wide. This one's 33 or 34. But the question is about the, now never mind the finish on this one. This was an experiment I did a long time ago to see what you could get with rattle can paint, which, you know, it's all right. You know, it's decent looking, but it's nothing like this. So this is 13 gauge aluminum or 90 thousandths. This is 16 gauge sheet metal, cold rolled. So it's kind of thin, you know, a little bit on the flimsy side. It does have more of a, you know, natural rippling look with the bends in it. This is left flat, and you can just get a nicer layout with the paint and the clear and all. So leave a comment. Let me know which one you think looks cooler. The sheet metal bent up or the aluminum left flat. And I had an opportunity to make this one for a really neat sailor named Larry Bosco. So if you got a military person in your family and want to make something really cool for them as a tribute and a service to their country, to our country I should say, hit me up, let me know. We'll come up with something cool.